Hello, this is Kevin from Crypto M1. In today's episode, I will be doing a very basic guide for beginners on how to register on an exchange trading platform in Huobi Global. Huobi Global is one of the largest trading platform around the world, and it is one of the top currency exchange. So today I will teach you guys how to sign up for a trading account in Huobi, and I will teach you step by step on how to register. When you enter to this Huobi website, you will see that there is a welcome bonus up to $170 for grab, as you can see in my screen, and there are like 14 days countdown. So today I will teach you guys on how to get free $10 in this welcome bonus by just doing a simple step only. Okay, so let's get started. The first step you need to do is, of course, you need to click the sign up button on your right side, where you just click on it. So once you have clicked the sign up button, it will have a column pop out where you need to fill up the form, which is first of all you need to click on your nationality. I'm from Malaysia, so I will be using the Malaysia nationality. So the second thing is you need to key in your email address. So I have created a sample email address, so I'll be using this huobikevin19@gmail.com, and my password can be anything. That maybe I just put okay, this is just a sample. Before I continue this session, if any one of you are having issues on how to get into this website, I will put down the link below at the description. You guys can just click it and it will direct you to this website. Okay, so let's move on. Once you already put in your nationality, your email address, your password, what you guys need to do is just make sure that this one is ticked. Make sure that you are already agreed with the user agreement and the privacy policy, and just click sign up. So once you click sign up, of course it will pop up the verification. Ensure that you're not a robot, and you just need to click on it. After you have clicked the sign up button, Huobi will send you a code where you need to go to your email and search for it. So usually the code should be in your inbox or in your junk mail or in your spam folder. So as you can see here, it's already sent to my inbox, whereby it has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits of code. So what you need to do is just copy this code and you just need to paste it there. Okay, so right now I'll be pasting it here. So once you have pasted there, it shows you that it's successful sign up, and that's it. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is how you want to get this welcome bonus. So once you are here, on the right side you will see there is balance, order, your profile, and so on and so forth. So today I will be teaching you how to get the welcome bonus, the first step of welcome bonus. So under this right side, you can see there is the account security, identification, fiat settings, free settings, coupon, invite friends, API, and so on and so forth. So what you need to do right now is just go to the identification button, just click on it. And what you need to do here is you need to put your passport number, or maybe your driving license, or your ID number. So let's say your ID number is 98991121002. Okay, let's say I give an example. Okay, once you have put in your ID number, you will need to put your full name, which is your given name, and your last name. So once you have done that, what you need to do is you need to take a photo of your ID card, or maybe your driving license, or maybe your passport, and you need to upload to this page. So what you need to do is you need to click on this column and just look for the photo. So once you look for the photo, just upload it and you just need to click verify. So this verification will take about a few minutes to a few hours depending. So once it shows that it's already completed, you will automatically get the $10 welcome bonus into your wallet. And this is all for today's episode, and this is actually a very basic and very easy steps for beginners to get into this trading platform with a $10 welcome bonus. And that's all for today's episode. If you like my video, remember to click like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next episode, and goodbye.